Peartree Cleaning Services renews £1 million contract with Farnborough Airport. Hey guys, remember to head below to like, comment and subscribe for all the latest on our videos. Farnborough Airport has extended its partnership with Peartree Cleaning via a £1 million annual contract following a period of high performance. Peartree will provide 24/7 cleaning services across the terminal, lounges, hangars, and 100 on-site offices within the airport's high-security environment. The partnership emphasizes innovation and utilizing advanced tools, like the Skyback system for high-level cleaning and Drift for high-traffic floor maintenance. The service supports the airport's environmental goals through resource efficiency and practices aligned with Peartree's ESG and decarbonization commitments. The renewal is based on Peartree's ability to maintain premium presentation standards while operating under strict aviation security protocols. Stuart Conroy, Commercial Director, said, "Farnborough Airport is a private aviation hub with fluctuating passenger volumes and high-profile visitors. They require a cleaning partner capable of responding flexibly to an aviation environment, and we look forward to continuing our partnership." To learn more, read the full article in our Contract Wins category. Read more at TWinFM.com.